In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tables in Airtable from beginner to intermediate linking. Linking tables in Airtable connects related information so you can work with it like a simple relational database. Think of having a table for projects and another for tasks. Linking lets each task point to its project, and the project can automatically show all its tasks. Here's how to set that up cleanly and confidently. Start by creating two tables in the same base. You can create new ones or use existing tables if they already hold the data you want to connect. Give each table a clear descriptive name so it's obvious what belongs where. In each table, the first column is the primary field. Airtable uses that primary field as the label you'll see when you link records, so make it something recognizable, like a project name or a task title. Next, in Table A, add a new field and choose the linked record type. When prompted, select Table B as the table you want to link to. At this point, decide whether each record in Table A should link to a single record in Table B or to multiple records. If you need one-to-many connections, such as many tasks linked to one project, enable multiple linking. You can also adjust basic settings here, like whether users can create new records in Table B directly from the linking interface. Pick the option that matches your workflow, then save the field. Now it's time to link records. In Table A, click into the new linked record cell for a row. A picker opens that lists the records from Table B. Search by the primary field, select the record you want, and Airtable will place a link chip in the cell. If multiple links are allowed, add as many as you need. To remove a link, simply delete the chip. As you work, filters and views can help you find the right record quickly, especially in large tables. As soon as you create the first link, Airtable automatically adds a corresponding field in Table B. This is the backlink, and it shows which records in Table A are connected. You don't need to configure it. It appears immediately, stays in sync, and updates whenever links change. You can rename this backlink field to something clearer, move it in the field order, or hide it from view without affecting the relationship. That's the core flow. Create two tables, add a linked record field from Table A to Table B, link the records you need, and let Airtable handle the automatic backlink. With this foundation, your base becomes more organized, easier to navigate, and ready for more advanced reporting.